Okay, let's move on to the second part of this episode, and we're gonna know your POV, Miss Jen, as an Aboitiz land broker. Miss Jen, how are you? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you feel any pressure?
I don't feel any pressure right now.
What? So since Miss Jen, wala kang nafe-feel na pressure, let's proceed to my very first question. So what feedback have you received from your clients that you have assisted with?
Yung feedback sa amin ng mga clients is okay sa kanila kasi stress-free yung pag-acquire nila ng property. And sobrang dali lang para sa kanila. Hinahangaan nila yung patience as a real estate broker na we assist them all throughout the process of acquiring the property. And yun nga, masaya sila sa nagiging service namin.
And I agree naman dyan, Miss Jen, because, as a broker na nagbibigay ng assistance sa ating mga clients, parang yung broker, siya na din yung minsan nagiging lawyer, siya na din yung nagiging engineer, nagiging interior designer. So, kumbaga, all-in-one package dapat ang isang licensed broker, right?
Yes, totoo yan.
Okay, next question naman, Miss Jen. If you were going to recommend an Aboitiz land property, what would it be and bakit?
Syempre, ang bias natin dito for the Aboitiz land property is the Villages at Lipa. Why? The Villages at Lipa kasi we are not just the real estate broker but homeowner din kami dito sa the Villages at Lipa. And syempre, meron akong 3 reasons bakit siya i-recommend. First one is the prime location. Second one is the quality of home. And third one is the investment. Ayon siya, Sir Chris.
I knew it, Miss Jen. Alam ko talaga or nahulaan ko talaga na yun ang sasabihin mo. That's why we are here at one of the model houses of the Villages at Lipa. That's it for the part 2 of episode 3, and we'll get to know more about Miss Jen. So stay tuned and see you on the next one.